Being experts on Trader Workstation is important at Maverick Trading. All Maverick traders use Trader Workstation to place their stock and option trades and have been doing that for 12 plus years. Our traders need to be perfect on the platform as they trade our capital and keep 70 to 80% of the profits they generate. We're happy to release some of our TWS training to the public, as we know TWS can be an intimidating software. If you're ready to become a professional stock and option trader, click on the application link in the description below. Now on to our TWS tutorial. All right, so let's jump into it and talk about other fees at Interactive Brokers. Most of these other fees probably will not apply to you, but it's worth a discussion. If you telephone in orders, say that you need a broker at Interactive Brokers to help you, they will charge you for this. This is old school. This is how we used to do it 40 years ago or something. You call into your broker and they'd process an order and they'd charge you a commission. Well, the same applies here. If you're using them to do it, $30 USD here in the US, 40 in Canada, and so forth. So there is an expense related to that depending on your country. So look at those fees. If you are moving capital, they will charge you for wires and transactions if you're issuing checks and so forth. As you do that, there will be expenses related to that. Now, you can set up ACH relationships where there is no cost, there is no fee, but if you're having a check written out and drawn up, it's $4 in the US. If you're doing a wire initiated from Interactive Brokers, it's $10. That's something to be aware of. And again, other countries would have other expenses. In Canada, it's $12 for a wire. It's not applicable for a check and so forth. If we come into deposits in Mexico, base currency is Mexican peso, $100. Their return check fee, if your check bounces, they will charge you a fee for that. Physical cash deposit. So if you were to deposit cash, they would charge a fee related to that. Again, probably not applicable, but it fits with the category of this video. I don't know too many people that are sending in cash, probably not a great idea. ADRs, American Depository Receipts, if you are doing something related to those, passing those through, there can be expenses. DTC is position transfers. If you're sending something from another brokerage account to this brokerage account, if you use the ACAT system, which is the most common, there's no fee related to that. If you're using other systems, there could be fees related to that. Let's see what else we have in here. Assets transferred out, depending on the country. Again, there could be a fee related to that. Prime brokerage, executing broker setups, trade breaks. This applies to if you made a fat finger mistake and there actually was some weird transaction that went through and they got that to break because it was clearly away from market, they will charge you a fee, a $100 fee for making that mistake. I don't think that will ever happen to you, but you have heard stories of fat finger mistakes and things related to that. So most of this, again, these little fees and possibilities are probably not applicable, but let's discuss each one. If you sign up for their debit card, there could be fees associated with that, like using ATM cash withdrawals in the US and outside, 50 cents each for that. If you need replacement cards, there could be fees, and that brings us to the end. So this is additional fees, other fees that could apply, probably not applicable, but something to be aware of, and you can go on to Interactive Brokers website to find out more. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.